this little basket here, which I think we got at IKEA. I don't really know, maybe a China store, that I can pick up with my hands, is almost about what fits into this washing machine. Okay, so let's make it about 1.5 of those. 1.5. All right. The washing machine in a lot of apartments is in the kitchen. And this is the Candy brand, which is probably one of the most affordable brands that you can buy. And when I first got here, I had no idea what any of this meant because there's no words with it. Um, and the manual that it comes with is not very informative, so I had to look up what the different symbols mean online to figure it out in English. And what I have since determined is this right here is the standard wash, but it does not allow me to pre-wash, which is this one. I can't go to pre-wash and keep it there. It will blink and disappear because it doesn't work. It disappears because it doesn't work on that one. So I put it on the plus sign, and with that, I figured out that I could increase my spin, which I always do, to 1,000 because it helps the drying. We don't, not all apartments have a dryer here. We do have a dryer, but it's not very efficient. But the point is that this plus sign is kind of like a sanitary thing, and it allows you to increase the temperature. Otherwise, you're stuck with like 40-degree temperature. It also increases the wash time, which might be annoying, and it allows you to put in the pre-wash. And so it'll take 1 hour and 44 minutes with these settings to do 1 load of laundry, which is 1.5 of these little baskets, which yes, came from IKEA, and I don't see how big it is on here, so anyhow. It's definitely less space and less clothing in one load than it is in the US.